Every spring, garden owners throughout Southern California open their secret gates to the public. And this year, on May 2nd and 3rd, 2026, you can experience the gorgeous gardens of the Mary Lou Hurd Memorial Garden Tour, which will be held 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this is a video of the 2025 tour. Some of these gardens may be on the 2026 garden tour, but they probably won't look exactly the same. That's the wonderful thing about gardens. They're always changing. So today we're going to show you some gorgeous gardens that you can experience for the first time. And these gardens are in both Huntington and Long Beach, California, which is along the coast, in both Orange and Los Angeles County. The Mary Lou Hurd Memorial Garden Tour is a yearly self-guided charity event which is held by the Mary Lou Hurd Foundation. If you are interested in going to the gardens, you don't have to make any advance reservations, but a donation is acceptable and welcomed. Now, this is a charitable event. It does raise money for the Sheepfold, which is a shelter for women in crisis and their children. You can either drop money in the donation jars, or you can donate through PayPal, and I'll include a link if you're interested in donating for this year's tour. You can also visit the sheepfold.org if you want to know more about how your donations will support women in crisis and their children. Every garden has a different theme, and I really like this one. It has a lot of cottage style flowers, including cosmos. You can also see, looks like yarrow, foxglove, lavender, all paint a beautiful palette, and they also seem to have some sweet peas as well.
Finally, and it better be alive.
If you can't behave, I told you to stay with us.
Wow, they definitely have.
Oh, really? Oh, that's so funny. I love your big.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very, very nice. How long did it take you to go from the movie, but now you're paying like 10
So
different years?
and they do good as well. And I have another one that's like Barcelona.
Locked up and just went. I mean, that is just.
And
Here's
it's like
sticks.
it's awesome. It really relives a lot. So if you're looking for a rose, this is a good one. I cut all the time. I have like these vases all over my house. Okay, look at this. And he's Piaget.
I mean, he's massive.
And then that's Olivia.
So
And that's
pretty.
the Vanessa Bell.
I love that. It
color
looks like a
is just
peony
addictive.
sort
I
of.
know,
but-
it
Oh,
does.
actually, that's Abraham Darby. This is Olivia. That's Abraham Darby. And this is, yeah.
Oh my God, that's just
That's a
To, hey, do you want to play this gig? Hey, do you want to do this? And one of the biggest bands that came out of there was Ozo Motley. And I know really members, and they started out
Honeymoon. Oh.
so nobody knew what the Rage Against the Machine was. You had a lot of these LA type bands that would just kind of congregate, and there was always like some type of cause or fundraiser. So if it was an elementary school that had
you'll smell it all in the yard. You know, like the sun makes it come out. That's the one that's in the. I wonder if they see that tall tree up there? That's the and there's tons of them up there. I got it this big, like they did before, and that's that. Yeah, because I thought it was maybe the long. No, it's called incense tree, and I got it at King of Black Orchard, like 15 years ago or something. And
Wow. Oh my gosh.
I love that. Alrighty, well, have a good rest. You too. Thank you so much.
Gorgeous.
That bunny tail grass? Yeah. So we have seed packets.
Yeah.
And you know they become like this.
Yeah,
Oh, they ran over it. They just
I haven't planted like lavender before.
so there's just like feel it if you're gonna grow it is that oh there's a weed. You know that it's
Oh,
when
it's
you're
so
weeding
soft.
and you see a graction, you know, from the sun, and then like water initially. You have to water them for a while to get them growing, and then what'll happen when it gets shade? Okay, I was looking to see because they're growing everywhere, and I'm noticing some of them. Oh, is that what's in here? Yeah. Oh, okay. And then when they fertilize, but you know, if they're not, they don't need to attack it like this, about how much, I have no idea, but
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see more beautiful garden tours, please consider subscribing because we will have more gorgeous garden coming in the following weeks as Southern California enters its gorgeous spring. YouTube thinks you're going to love this next video.